Before we can write a single line of Python code, we need to have the right tools in place. And here's the truth, setting up a Python development environment can be messy. There are a ton of tools and intricacies, and it's so easy to get lost in the middle of those. And here's the big issue. By default, Python installs things globally. So if you need to add a dependency for one project, suddenly it shows up to all of your projects. If you need a different version for different projects, that can be, challenging. Add to that the fact that your computer is probably already using Python for some tools and services, and they need specific dependencies and specific versions. And these can be easily messed up when we start installing our own dependencies for this class. But don't worry, we're not diving into all of those complications. We're gonna try to keep it simple and consistent, and we're gonna do that by using one tool only, and it's called Conda. This will give us a clean, isolated environment for our development purposes in this class. Conda is a distribution of Python that basically bundles the regular Python that we'd normally get from python.org with a bunch of other development tools like package management or environment management, and it also comes with a set of curated libraries that are often used in data science and data analytics projects. It also has an installer for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, which makes it very easy to get started with. It is not a different programming language, it's just a convenient wrapper around the Python language. For this week, we're going to be installing Python using Conda. We're going to be setting up Git and our GitHub account, and we're going to install Visual Studio Code if we don't already have it, and set it up with some of the Python extensions that will make our development environment a little bit easier to work with in this semester. Once you have those tools installed, the first assignment is going to be walking you through how you can set up an isolated development environment for this class, and I'll be coding that or running that alongside with you in the next video.